I have tried this method. First, place an ant on an open wound. Let it use its two large pincers to bite the two edges of the wound. The wound will be stitched up with just this simple action. It is unbelievable. Not all ants can do this. Only the marching ant species is capable of performing this special surgery. This species of ant belongs to the soldier ant group. They are extremely aggressive. They possess a pair of giant pincers, as sharp as a sickle. Just one bite from these pincers is enough to penetrate the skin. When encountering an open wound in natural conditions, just a few marching ants, they will bite the two sides of the wound with their sharp pincers. The strong clamping force will pull the edges of the wound together. Then, the lower body of these ants will be broken. Because these ants have a strong nature, once they bite something, they will never let go. Their heads will stick tightly to the wound like a natural suture. When the wound heals, this head will fall off by itself. Although this method of suturing wounds is certainly very painful, but in some primitive tribes living in the rainforest, the method of using ants to suture wounds has been applied thousands of times. Even without modern medical equipment and without the need for traditional sutures, this method is still effective. Research also shows that, on the battlefield, it is not only humans who help injured comrades. There is a species of ant called Matabele also showing similar behavior. This species of ant lives in sub-Saharan Africa. They often get injured when hunting, especially when hunting termites. For example, a broken leg. The amazing thing is, the injured ants will not be abandoned by their colony. The other ants will help them return to the nest and heal their wounds by licking. These injured ants will quickly adapt to life without legs. They will recover quickly and continue to participate in hunting with their teammates. According to statistics, in every group of 20 Matabele ants, there is about one disabled ant that has had a broken leg. Experts say normal ant colonies have very fast replacement of members, so helping injured ants is not a top priority. But with Matabele ants, the situation is completely different. Their birth rate is lower, and the size of the colony is not large. Therefore, helping injured ants becomes extremely important. This rescue behavior is still very rare in the animal world.